Looks like they're doing some welding on the switch track between main 1 and main 2 there.
To the 7369 East on main track 2. Proceed to pass my red board at maximum authorized speed, over. Understand, buddy. That's correct on the repeat.
BNSF port stack train, eastbound main track number 2. We're at Silverwood milepost 56.8. See the red placard there? There's one on the other side of the track also. They're doing some maintenance in between the main track 1 and main track number 2. They're doing some welding. So that's what that radio transmission was. Nice day out here. It's getting quite windy though. I've got the camera anchored pretty well and got my dead cat on the mic. We should be okay. It's a long train. I haven't seen a mega monster in a while. And my definition of a mega monster is when you have mid and trail DPUs.
Copy, over. Ready to copy, over.
Otherwise it's just a monster.
Track hold 10, 6863 between 50 mile per 66.5 and 66.8 on the zone subdivision. Gives permission to BNSF 6758 east on main track 1. You proceed past my red flag. See that milepost 66.8. That's maximum authorized speed on main track 1. I'm fluid trigger 4B 6863 milepost 56.8 66.5. Gives permission to BNSF 6758. Nearest limit to pass the red board 56.8. Maximum authorized speed eastbound main 1, over. That's correct on the repeat. Correct repeat, thank you. You guys be safe. You too.
Yeah, this train is a monster. It's got 2 trail DPUs and they're more than likely manned, but we'll find out. There's also a train coming up main track number 1, eastbound also. Down this way. See all those white JB Hunts? That's the second train. So let's see how this works out here. My guess is they're going to hold the second train up a little bit. Let this one get a block ahead and proceed after that, but we'll find out. Ooh, the wind is gusting big time. Got some good action this morning. Make sure you hit that notification bell and you won't miss any of the great action. Open container. 2 in a row, 3 in a row. 4 in a row. 5. Here comes another one. Look for burglars. This one just opened. That always sucks to see. Twin stacks there, they're double up ones. Hobo shoestring used to call those Viking ships. I like to ride them. See the trail DPUs down there coming up? Sweet. These are not manned. There's nobody in them. Just straight pushers. They'll be on there all the way to Barstow. Maybe further. HQ on the rear there. This is Z Train here. It's right out of that power. See the red flag there? We're at 56.8. Another wonderful day at Silverwood. These will be our last 2 trains of the day. We got some other stuff going on, and get home and get some rest. We got out of here at daybreak. Nice to get a little break from the heat today. The high is only 80 degrees. Be back to 90 in a couple days. And the wind's blowing like, I think it's 20 miles an hour. Steady. We know you like what you saw there. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. You see the red placards there? The work crew's probably still there, I would think. They got out of the way and let these two trains go. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We love you and we'll catch you on the next ones.
Fly with Silverwood going to a stop indication for a reroute.